Convert a number range to another range, maintaining ratio. I'm trying to convert one range of numbers to another, maintaining ratio. Maths is not my strong point. I have an image file where point values may range from -16,000.00 to 16,000.00, though the typical range may be much less. What I want to do is compress these values into the integer range 0-100, where 0 is the value of the smallest point, and 100 is the value of the largest. All points in between should keep a relative ratio, even though some precision is being lost. I'd like to do this in Python, but even a general algorithm should suffice. I'd prefer an algorithm where the minute max, or either range, can be adjusted, i.e., the second range could be -50 to 800 instead of 0 to 100.
Or a little more readable. Or if you want to protect for the case where the old range is 0, old min equals old max. Note that in this case we're forced to pick one of the possible new range values arbitrarily. Depending on context, sensible choices could be new min, C sample, new max, or new min plus new max, 2.
Actually, there are some cases that above answers would break, such as wrongly input value, wrongly input range, negative input-output ranges.
Here's some short Python functions for your copy and paste ease, including a function to scale an entire list. Which can be used like so.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.